Put the fish down in here. Are you kidding me?
That's how you start a morning right there.
Morning, guys.
Long arming it.
What?
What you got?
There's not enough room in the truck here. Hey, look who we got in the back seat back there.
What's up? You guys ready to go kill some stuff?
Yeah, let's do it. We've been trying to get together with Ben for quite a while to get out and go do some coyote hunting, and it just kind of happened to work out. Today is
the best day ever, Black Friday. The best day ever to spend out in the hills.
Yeah, away from everybody else.
Don't ever want to be in town today.
All right, guys, we're gonna go get it done and hopefully come back with 3 or 4 in the truck today. So wish us luck and hope your Black Friday is as good as ours. Oh guys, the morning already didn't start off right. The loop we were gonna make, there was like 6 trucks parked there. I don't know if they were deer hunting or sheep hunting or what. Guys all over the place right there, so they were big game hunting or maybe bird hunting, not coyote hunting. Either way, it kind of screwed us on our loop, so we're just gonna make a few stands here and then get out to another loop. Get some. Killer. All 3 of us sit right. I'll sit back up here if you guys both want to sit here. Nice shooting, dude.
Nice work, dude. Nice work. First stand. It
How
took me a bit to see him, man.
Yeah,
Did you see him coming off the hill?
No, I saw he coming right down the bottom, dude.
Was he standing there for a bit?
So I saw him clear over here coming through the tall yucca.
Yeah.
And then he came out and he stood right here, and I knew you guys couldn't see him.
Yeah, because I saw him. It was probably 30 seconds or 45 after you kissed. Then I saw him just kind of right here in the bottom where he shot him. He was trying to work that wind downwind.
He was, yeah. I was hoping you guys could see him because I was like, he's going downwind.
I bet. Did you shoot through brush right there a little bit? It looked like he was covered up.
I could see my crosshairs like just below the brush. So
really?
I think I had a pretty clear one.
Nice shot, dude.
Heck yeah.
Sweet.
We'll take him first stand.
Oh, got me.
What? 2 minutes 2 minutes after you shot, somebody else shoots over the hill?
It was over here.
Was it back there?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That means we can go this way and we're okay.
Good dog. Yeah, he is. Good still. Get him up and off. Good. Good color. Oh, yeah.
Nice shot, man.
Yeah, didn't blow him up at all.
Nice.
Teeny exit.
Sweet.
Heck
Nice
yeah.
job, dude. Nice
Thanks,
job.
man.
First stand in the morning.
We'll take it, man. Hopefully you're our good luck charm, man. We've done really good out in this country before, but it's been a while since we have done real well, so.
It's good looking.
243 didn't do much too. That's awesome, man.
No, it didn't do do bad at all.
Heck
A
yeah.
little pinhole.
Nice work.
That's what we like.
All right, guys. So this is morning of day 8. Like I said, well, I said earlier, but I don't know if I'm going to show you that video or not. Anyway, had to make some changes in our plans. Originally going to head to Colorado. There's a big storm coming through. Wind's going to be blowing 30 to 50 miles an hour for the next 2 days, basically Saturday, Sunday. Today's Friday. And so we had to kind of change up our plans a little bit, but it worked out because old Shed Crazy here got him a coyote first stand in the morning with us. So
You know it.
I'm gonna probably sleep in the truck the rest of the day now. Take some naps. I brought a sandwich,
oh, you're perfect then.
so we're in good shape.
That rack on the top of the truck kind of makes a good little bed up there.
I
So
like it. I like it.
nice, heck
I'll
yeah.
just quit while I'm ahead.
Well, hopefully I didn't miss that when I had the camera off conserving battery. I was like, oh, this is wide open, man. I got plenty of time. Nope, he came screaming over the hill.
Gosh, I'm lucky I got him hit. I could, for some reason, I just could not get on that coyote.
Couldn't find him, or?
No, I was on it. I just couldn't get on it.
I gotcha.
For some reason, I was left though. He actually started moving right when I shot.
Yeah. Well, I thought after you shot, I'm like, oh, I might need to back up, and then I saw the red right there.
Yeah.
Oh, you done?
Yeah, I could. For some reason, he stopped perfect for me, but I was pulling left on him for some reason.
Huh.
Just could not get on him.
Well, I'll go get the truck, and you guys don't have to go so far.
I like that idea.
Yeah.
Well, it's 1-1 today.
Yeah.
Garrett's not being a dog hog today.
So one time I take a long range shot on someone else's side, make an amazing shot, and then I get called a dog hog when I'm the least dog hoggy person ever.
It's gonna be forever now. Alright guys, I'm letting Piven wear the seat this time. It's a life changer if you guys hunt coyotes, and you have to have one of these seats from Sly Dog Predator Gear. Ground and pound chair. It's literally life changing for coyote hunting. Well, how did the chair treat you? Did you fall asleep over there?
Dude,
That's too comfortable, isn't it?
I'm gonna buy one. I don't even do this very much.
I've always thought that actually for just hiking in glass and being able to kick back like that would be pretty sweet.
It's 100 times better.
Yeah.
Life changing or not quite?
Oh yeah, dude. Way better.
He come right up the bottom of the edge.
Oh man, when I first seen him, see this dead tree right here in the bottom? That burnt one?
I can't even see the dirt. See it?
Did you ever see the coyote?
I did. I saw him right here.
Yeah, so like, yeah, he was just skirting the bottom of the hill right when I kissed. He stopped and just pegged me on the hill.
Yeah.
And I was like, son of a, it must not have, this bush was kind of in between him and I.
Oh, okay.
So we went out just a little bit further and stopped right there. Yeah, I was moving my gun. I kissed and he kind of kept going. Then as I started moving my gun, he just busted me. So I just froze. And he stared up at me for like 15 seconds. And then just kind of kept skirting right along the base of the hill.
Nice. I was gonna say, there's no way in hell we couldn't get one right here. This is just
I
too.
was gonna say this is a pretty good stand and a lot of country to call.
I'm just gonna stay right here and let you guys go get him.
Why you gotta be lazy?
Cause I am.
Ah,
Having fun yet?
sure.
Definitely.
Getting hung up.
Nice.
Yeah,
Heck yeah.
take it.
Let's go get some more. I want to top off at 6 today.
I like the sound of that.
I think Garrett should let you shoot one again. What do you think?
Yeah, he let me have the first one.
Yeah.
He's like, hey, you gonna shoot it?
Just go. Just take it. Nice.
My crosshairs are waving all over. Just yanked one off, happened to hit it.
That's all right. You got it.
Pure luck.
It happens. I don't know if you guys remember this earlier in the video or not. Yeah.
Quit while I'm ahead.
You bet.
You get all the easy ones. Mine was like, I don't know. I was estimating there's probably 1,500 yards or something out there. Plus I drank too much Mountain Ops and I had the shakes all day. And had about 3 scoops of Yeti. The sun was in my eyes a little bit and my contact lenses, they got a little bit blurred up. Slight cross breeze. I don't know if I compensated quite enough, and I think I didn't adjust the parallax on this scope either, and the sun's been extra bright lately because the ozone's getting depleted. And then also got bit by a rattlesnake when I was a kid. I don't have that much feeling in my trigger finger anymore. So, I mean, there's a lot of reasons you can miss. I'm not making excuses, you know, ultimately it's my fault, but there was a couple of things playing into it there.
Should have waited.
That's right.
You're good. It's all right. We could have 4 right now.
I mean,
Kind of add to our count. I mean, if we're 1 short at the end of this whole thing,
it's all your fault.
what's up, guys? So it's a wrap on day 8, 7 or 8.
8.
Day 8 of the Coyote tour. Got these 3. Really only hunted about a half day. We got to get back and get a few things ready because we're probably road tripping to eastern Colorado tomorrow. And this fine specimen of a man right here, Ben, aka Shed Crazy. We were finally able to link up on a hunt with him. We've been trying for a while. It's crazy we haven't been able to because we live 15 minutes apart, but go check out his channel on YouTube, guys. Shed Crazy. He does a ton of hunting, a ton of shed hunting, just everything outdoors. Awesome channel, guys, and this is what he does. So definitely go over and check out his channel, get subscribed, check out all his videos. He just did a series this last fall where he was hunting 3 different states.
Yeah. Yep. Utah, New Mexico, Colorado.
Yeah. So really a cool series where he's uploading videos every day with had a kid on the way coming. So actually a really interesting series to go check it out. So definitely check that out. And like I say, here's a wrap on day 8. And we are going to be Colorado bound probably tomorrow afternoon or the day after for about a week out in there. So hopefully the weather cooperates with us out there.